What I thought.
100 plus Air Jordan.
This is the
Closet Build Part
Nike Air
4.
Max. No, Nike Air Max 96 or the DT Diamond Turf Max 96. God, this is the Deion Sanders shoe. I had a red and white pair, but Deion Sanders said if it had Nike instead of that diamond right there, then those were the pair that he lost the contract without him even knowing that they lost the contract. And he said if I see you in them shoes, I'm gonna spit on them. So I resold them back, and I got the one with the diamond on it that were black and white instead of black, white, and red. Here's another Jordan hybrid, and it is a Spizite. The bottom part need to be redone. I'm gonna take all that off and redo it. I'm gonna do videos for all this stuff. As long as I ain't in Facebook jail, you know how it go. That's is it to do the right things? Hold up. I'm not sure. They might be to do the right things. It say "Do you know" on them in them colorways. That's the one where dude ran over his shoe when he acted a fool on that old '90s movie. Son of Mars. These are a Atlanta Hawk colorway, but Arkansas uses the Arkansas red, so that's why I'm fooling with them. We got some stupid stuff right here I don't even want to tell you about. Adidas Quasar, some kind of foam posit turf football shoe. We got a LeBron, dang it. Is it a 12? Let me know. Air Max Torch 4 Gold. Stan Smith Adidas. Yay, yay. Superstars in the process of getting, iced out and restored. Damian Lillard 4. Damian Lillard 4 right here. This is that Kobe I was telling y'all about with the 8, the holographic 8. Try to go slow so you can see it. This is a 96 dunk contest situations. Kobe, Animal Instinct, Turbo Green. Kind of remind you of a snake pattern, so that's why I copped these. I'm gonna have to redo the icy white on them. No problem, I got a chemical to do so. These are also Mamba Instincts, but these are the Komodo dragons. You see the Komodo dragon right there on the back? He always had some kind of animal instinct type of mentality thing going on with those. So let me put these back. Hold up. Let me get into some more of them. But we coming down to the end of it. I skipped these. My bad. Kyrie finger trap. Yeah. Red, black, gold. Pull them out, let them see the Kyrie sign on them. Yup. Love them. They feel comfortable. These right here. Kyrie, what are these? 4? Is that a 4? But anyway, it's got a lot of little Oreo situations going on. Triangle. The black leaked onto that white, turned it purple, but that's okay. I'm still rocking. I have yet to do so, but I'm gonna dedicate an outfit to get them on. Up here, we're gonna finish it up with these. These are like little prom shoe, little patent leather one. I want to wear something black and shiny. Motherfucking, what are these? Lemon pepper steppers. Showed them last time. little orthopedic boot type of, not really, but you know, like them old men be having. I wanted a little something that wasn't too shiny, wasn't all, you know, and of course, them steel toe work boots. Never forget where you came from. This started it all, really. Is them work boots. So, um, the LeBrons and the other stuff, we'll get into that on a whole nother video. But again, I'm gonna finish it up like this. And not be able to get it all. But that's where we at with it. It's your homeboy Mag 357 Guns. Appreciate y'all for watching the video. This has been a tremendous journey. I had to do this all on my own. I had to because it was in my head. It festered. It's finally here. It's finally done. And now I get to come in here and look at my store at the mall, you know what I'm saying, the mall closet, and pick out stuff. And you may see me in some of this, you may not see me in it ever. But if that's the case, it is what it is. Live, learn, live, and grow. One.
Thanks for watching. Make sure to follow